In the heart of ancient Athens, under the warm golden glow of the Acropolis, stood the Academy, a place of intellectual pursuits. The year was 387 BC, and within its hallowed halls, a debate of profound significance was about to unfold. Two men, philosophers of unparalleled renown, were to engage in a philosophical battle that would shape Western ethics and moral systems for centuries to come. Their names were Aristotle and Plato, two brilliant minds, each with a unique vision of the world. Aristotle, a student of Plato, had left the academy to establish his own school, the Lyceum. The schism between the two philosophers was not merely a matter of personal differences but a clash of ideologies, a clash of moral systems. Plato, a proponent of ideal forms, believed in an eternal, perfect world of forms, a world beyond the physical one. He posited that ethical virtues were innate, rooted in the understanding of these ideal forms. Aristotle, on the other hand, argued for a more pragmatic approach. He believed that virtues were learned behaviors, a product of habit and experience. He proposed that ethical behaviors were not innate but acquired through repetition and reason. The debate was intense, with each philosopher presenting compelling arguments. Plato, with his theory of forms, argued that ethical virtues were universal and unchanging, existing independently of human actions. Aristotle, with his empirical approach, countered that ethical virtues were a product of human interaction and society. The debate was heated, with the two philosophers often disagreeing vehemently. Yet, despite their differences, their exchange was a testament to the power of intellectual discourse. They challenged each other, pushing the boundaries of thought, their exchange a beacon of enlightenment in a world shrouded in darkness. Their exchange had far-reaching implications. The debate between Plato and Aristotle laid the groundwork for Western ethics, influencing thinkers for centuries to come. Their ideas continue to shape our understanding of morality, a testament to their enduring legacy. In the end, both philosophers, despite their differences, shared a common goal: to seek truth, to understand the world, and to guide humanity towards a path of virtue. Their debate, a battle of ideals, was not a battle of conquest but a battle of ideas, a battle for the betterment of humanity. And so, under the golden glow of the Acropolis, the debate between Plato and Aristotle ended not with a victor but with a deeper understanding of the complexities of ethics and moral systems. Their exchange was a testament to the power of intellectual discourse, a beacon of enlightenment in a world shrouded in darkness. Their legacy, a testament to the enduring power of philosophy, continues to inspire us today.